Hello guys.
Hello guys! Tingnan mo yan. Gawa ka There's a hook in the bag and there's two beakers. Can we trust together? And there's pumpkin. Now that's the drill, okay? Wag yung sumusira ito. Mabilis man ito ayos. And there's big wheels and some of this. There's a hook in the back of it. And look, the hook. See, I told you that's all. And there's frames of it. You can see. There's big frames. We don't have this. Sorry, guys. Sorry, yeah. But I will go to build. Na baby ko ito sa ginagawa ko ito very hard. See? Baby Yoda! So be quiet and walk.
Okay na?
This the back. Yes. Ito yung power niya dyan. And this is the hands for the safety. So, I told you. May gaanan din yan, oh. Nakita mo? Go, guys. Follow me in the comment for Lego. It's a Lego man drill.
What's that? It's a Lego man drill?
I call it the EISD. The drill is class.
Okay.
It's super expensive, but I want to buy it for my collection. I want to collect this all to upgrade and upgrade and upgrade my vehicle. You see?
Okay na.
Okay na. Bye!